Good morning. Today on the bench we have this Aiwa device from Japanese Special. This one is Aiwa HS-RX30. Device looks like it is in very good condition. You know, we have just a minor few scratches on the screen, but overall condition of the device is super nice. Okay, and inside there is even better look, because those pinch rollers looks like they have not seen much tapes at all. Okay, and battery cartridge, as you can see, also looks in mint condition. Yeah. Okay, so first let's try the device if we have some signs of life. Yes, we have something. Okay, let's put in the headphones and maybe let's add some tape. Okay, and no sound at all. Yeah. Oh, and we have problem with the buttons, so I think we have corroded ones because when you press stop it started to rewind or fast forward, whatever. And regarding radio, also no sound at all. Okay, so that's it then. Let's remove the battery and let's open the device, and we will see what kind of problems do we have with this one. So let's dig in. Okay, so straight away I see some maybe prior attempt, or this was soldering from the factory, but I don't think so. And I see some leakage, so I think that we will have some leaked capacitors from the other side. Yeah. Okay, so the belt looks kind of okay, but I think we will change it due to don't have the problems in the future. And okay, so let's remove then PCB. To do that, we'll have to unscrew some screws, and we will unsolder all of those flex wires. So let's do this. Okay, right over here we can see that everything is very clean. Spins very nice and free. Good. Okay, so let's put this one aside and we will be back to it a bit later. So what do we have right here? Straight away, look at the legs. All caps are gone. Yeah, those also. Okay, look at the variation of capacitors. One is through leg, surface, then this one is very small, 2 volt 100, 4 volt 100, 2 volt 100. Okay, so all of those sizes I have in stock, so this is not gonna be a problem for me in any case. So let's remove the switches right now and we will start by, I think we will remove the switchboard and also potentiometer for volume adjustment. Instantly there is very bad smell due to those leaked caps. Let's clean a bit those parts before doing some soldering jobs, because that electrolyte smell is terrible. Okay, so right now let's remove all of those capacitors and then we will do deep cleaning for the board. Okay, so let's start removing them. As always, I'm gonna use my trusty pliers. Oh, that corrosion is super big, as you can see. Capacitor, I think with all the pads are gone. Let me check, but this is gonna be a huge problem if that is the case. Yeah, we have one pad left and both pads left. It just corroded all the solder, so that's not super bad. This one just broke off. It was barely holding. Also super corroded one, as you can see. Okay, this one is gonna be magic to repair. Look at those, look at that corrosion. Right over here also. So I think in this case, let's also remove those switches, but we will do this a bit later. First of all, let's remove that capacitor, and then we'll start to do some cleaning. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go outside and do deep cleaning for this board. So till then. Okay, so I'm back from the deep cleaning, and we still have some damage on the pads, but we'll try to save them. And of course, now when I see it more clearly, I can say that I think we will manage to save this this device, this board actually, without a problem. Okay, so right now let me do what I always do, is I will remove those pads and I will prepare them for new capacitors. Okay, now I think it's the time to check if we have some damaged vias or some tracks. So I'll do this just by using my tester. So I'll be just stabbing with my tester leads, and I will check most of the those areas where the huge corrosion we had. So I'll be back after I finish this nonsense. Okay, so I have checked all the connections and this seems to be fine. But as I was checking those switches, we have a problem. Some of them are just showing too high resistance, so I think some electrolyte gone into them. So let's repair them. Okay, so they all are now in perfect distance. Okay, so that's it regarding repairing this one. Okay, right now let's prepare all those pads. And this one is very iffy, as I see. Let's use maybe some super glue behind it. Okay, so right now I'm gonna clean the PCB and then we will start soldering new capacitors in. Let's do the cleaning. Now this pad will not stay alive, as I can see it is already gone. So we will do something else to repair that. Okay, worst case scenario, we can just do the jumper from here to here or from here to here. So we will manage this. This is not something very critical or very difficult to fix here. Okay, so let me prepare capacitors and we will start doing soldering jobs. Okay, so I have prepared all necessary capacitors, so let's start soldering them. So all capacitors are soldered in quite nicely. So right now let's do other stuff. Okay, so right now let's remove the door and we will check what do we have to repair in this PCB. Yeah? Like that. Let's put that one away, and what do we have right over here? Okay, we have one capacitor and the battery. Okay, battery we will change. And that capacitor, I think I have some substitute for that also. So maybe let's check if we will be able to remove that board. We don't have any screws, but something still looks like holding it. So about the capacitor. Okay, clicky switches, then this part is good. Maybe let's check those switches. It's fine. It is fine. Okay, so we have changed the battery. Now about that capacitor. Also, what we have to check is the switch. Okay, we will do some treatment for it and it will be fine, I think. And this capacitor fits good right over here, yeah? Switch is working. Okay, so we can just put everything back together. Okay, good, so we are done with this part. So right now let's service this one. Those batteries are not very necessary to change because those are just responsible for the memory, but since I had one in stock, why not do this? Yeah, and this capacitor also still good, but oh well. Yeah, now regarding this one, belt surprisingly looks still nice. Capstans also. Motor also. As I said earlier, it looks like this device is new, yeah, so I think I will not do something, just will replace the belt and we will check the parameters, and if we see something abnormal, then we will investigate and do some kind of fixing, yeah. Okay, so let me grab the belt. Okay, so belt is changed. Well, then let's just start putting everything back together. And of course, let's not forget to do some treatment for this one. Now it is changing the sides. Come on. Okay. Let's continue. Let's put back again those screws. Okay, I think that joints looks fine. So let me try something. Maybe let's put in some cassette and we will see. Should go like that. Okay. Let's grab some headphones and moment of truth. Moment of truth, guys. Okay, so let's try again. I have cleaned all the pulleys perfectly and also checked that if the belt has correct tension, and it is now having one. So if I change the direction, now there is no issues at all, and we can see right here forward, rewind, forward. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna check azimuth, tape speed, wow and flutter, and dolby, set the dolby levels and so on and so forth. So as always, I'll set the azimuth first and I will put some photos in the video. So till then. Okay, so let's check tape speed on wow and flutter and let's set them. Okay, let's start. Okay, I think this is gonna be just fine, you know. Okay, so in the next part I will set dolby levels. Let's check dolby levels and let's set them. So let's grab dolby level cassette and we will see. Let's okay. Let's start. Okay, so in the rewind direction we have a bit of mismatch, but in the forward direction we have 100 and 100. So we are totally in the specification. Okay, so right now what's left? Let's assemble device and let's do final testing with some music as always. Okay, so right now it is truly it. Now let's put that battery and let's grab some headphones as always here. Some cassette. Let's check another side. Play just perfectly fine. Rewind. Fast forward. Everything works just fine. Now let's check that AM tuner if we have something right here. FM. Okay, and we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. That's bad. Let's investigate. Okay, so short update. What I have found out that capacitor, this pad right here that is positive, was shorted to the ground directly, and this was due to I'm talking about why radio was not working, and this was due to right here. I don't know if you can see it, but right over here was short circuit to the negative terminal of this capacitor. And that was the main issue. Now I have tested and the radio is working perfectly fine, so I will put back this capacitor and I'll be back after I will fully assemble this device. So till then, let's assemble device. Okay, so I think that this is it. Let's put in the battery. Let's check. Yeah, now LED is working for the radio, yeah. So straight away, let's check the radio first. Okay, FM. Okay. So radio is working. Right now, let's put in cassette and let's check cassette. Another side. Perfect. Rewind. Fast forward. So everything works just fine. Well, this is it regarding this very nice condition Aiwa HS-RX30. This was quite a challenging repair So this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel. As always, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.